Hi guys, welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. In today's show we will see how to do a self join using Power Query Editor or do a lookup with the same table. So let's dig in and see how this can be done. But before that, a small intro. So let's start with creating a table. Name it as a products table. Name the column as product name. The second column as price and availability. So let's name the product name as bike of type A, and the price, for example, is $100. Bike of type B is suppose $200, and bike of type C is suppose $300. In the same table, let's see what is the stock of bike A in the inventory. So for example, bike of type A availability is suppose 25 bikes. Bike of type B is suppose 30 bikes, and bike of type C availability is 50 bikes. Let's load this table. Now go to the data tab. So now what we have to do is we have to make a self join with this table to get the price as well as the availability in a single row. So as you see here, the product name is repeating on a different row, but what we require is on a single row the same thing, right? So let's go to transform data to open the Power Query Editor. Now you see here merge queries option present, right? So for this table, we can either do a merge queries to do the merge query in the same table, or merge queries as new. So that will create another table here. So let's do merge query as new for this demo. So some of you guys might not be knowing that we can do a self join. So in the drop down, select the same products table. Select on the column which you want to do the join, and the join kind should be inner join because there is no rows will be missing in both the tables. It's the same table, so we can do an inner join, right? And click on OK. So you see here a merge one table will be created. So you can rename this as products merged table. And before that, you see here the dollar sign is missing from the values we entered in the source, right? So something is changed here. So yeah, so there was a type added there, so we removed and got the dollar value here, right? Now expand this table, and here we require just the price and availability column. Okay, now you will see all the rows will get joined and you will get some duplicate rows as well. So what you have to do is in the first column, rename this as price and add a text filter which contains a dollar value. So contains a dollar symbol. Click on OK. Now in the second column, just you have to do the opposite thing. So here type the availability, and here the text filter does not contain dollar. So you see, you got the bike A, price and availability. Similarly for bike B and bike C. So bike A price was $100 and availability was 25. If you want to see here, bike A $100 and availability is 25. So this is how we can do the self join or lookup within the same table. So this kind of data set you can get basically when you are reading from a website or from a PDF file, right? So hope this video helps you guys to create more efficient reports. Let me know in the comments if you need help in creating such kind of reports. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please do subscribe to Power Cubicle Guy. Thank you guys and see ya.